Hello friends, it's Friday! That's right, it's Friday! It's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I make children's picture books. And today, it's day 30, the final day of the 30-day drawing challenge. I'm going to close this out by doing a sketch of both cousins, Rusty Duncan of Sunnyvale and Dominic Duncan, his younger cousin, from the mountain town of New Gstaad. Alright. We're gonna have Rusty doing a thumbs up here, while Dominic waves to everyone. Yeah, you see, I use HB mechanical pencils, and there we go. I've already got the frameworks down. Alright, let's sketch in Rusty here. Give him a bit of a smile there. Letting everyone know that everything is A-OK. And that includes me, as I made it through 30 days of drawing. People said I couldn't do it, but I did it. Alright, let's have him give his thumbs up there. There we go. Now let's sketch in cousin Dominic here. He's still a kitten, but very much a wise guy, much like his cousin Rusty. He has black ears as opposed to Rusty's gray ears. And he has the 3 black tabby stripes there. Let's put him waving to everyone. And there we go, the 2 cousins, Rusty and Dominic. And with that, I hereby declare the 30-day drawing challenge is over. Well, that's it for today. Hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Check out more of these guys at sunnyvalestories.com. The link is in the video description below. Until next time, everyone, it's me, Max West, saying goodbye.